Hi, Naya.
Huh?
Look, something came in the mail for you today. You gonna open your mail? Reach in there. It's already open a little bit. What's in there? What is that? What is it?
My special bear.
Oh, he's back home.
I've been in church that left it.
Yeah, you left it at the hotel, huh? Are you so happy?
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome. I love you.
Did I talk to my special bear?
Hmm?
That did?
He did. He called him on the phone and said, "Special Bear, come home."
Thank you.
I love
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
You're
Did
welcome.
I get it for me?
He did.
I did?
Hmm.
For me?
Yeah.
Yeah.